Hey guys, today I'm playing some Minecraft Bedwars on Lotus. And oh yeah, look, I got a new cape. What a surprise, it's bee themed. Wait, let me... Wait. Oh, it doesn't go on. Oh. Well, now I have like every cosmetic in bee theme. Anyway, how are you? I don't think that's how you're meant to rush on this map, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, how are you guys? I am doing terribly. My dishwasher broke. And let me tell you, I am not a fan of having to wash all my dishes by hand. It's terrible. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. I'm also on uni holidays. I probably said that before, but let's go. That's exciting. Hopefully I don't fail all my classes. Okay, now let's go and kill blue, I guess. Because blue died. Yeah, blue died to yellow. PvP. Okay, we got him. That's probably closer than it should have been, but that's okay. Anyway, we're getting to late November. That's exciting. Only a month and 6 days until Christmas. Let's go. Okay, let's see if I can get this yellow guy out. I look so fashionable with my new cape. Okay, I should be able to win here. Oh, he suicided for me. That's so sad. What else is happening this game? It looks like white might actually be heading to yellow already. And pink looks like they lost their bed. So I'm actually in a pretty good spot right now. Yeah, white's going straight for yellow. I've done really nothing. I might honestly just go to mid. I think that's the play right now. Oh, pink's there. Oh, pink's dead. Well, that's unfortunate. I wanted that kill. Oh, looks like yellow's getting diamonds. That's not good. Maybe I should go steal with pink diamonds, even though I probably put them away already. Or I could grab them and flung them off the edge with himself. I'm such a noob, oh my goodness. Yeah, this game has not been going well for me. I'm gonna be honest. But it's fine. Even though I've been trolling, I'm actually in a pretty good spot right now. All things considered. Is that 2 in here? I bet there's not 2. There's only 1, yeah? Well, I'll grab these ones. Oh, let's go white, I think. Oh, yellow might actually get white bed here. Yeah, I should go for yellow quickly. I guess I'll see what happens. I wonder what I should get. Maybe I should get a pearl. I think that would be funny. Oh, if I wait 15 more seconds. Wait, are they bed trading? They are bed trading. Let's go. Okay, I'm in a very good position now then. Okay, I gotta quickly go back and spend these diamonds and emeralds because I imagine they will be on the way to kill me. I should wait 1 second and grab so I can get a trap. Okay, if I fall off the map now, I'm actually gonna cry. Should I go? I'm gonna try to. I will go use potions on yellow, I guess. Okay. And now for white. Wow, I am so skillful. Okay guys, all my hats are now. I think that'll probably be all for today. Sorry this one was kind of short. I have some big things planned for the next week, so you should definitely check out them when they come out. Also, definitely check out the video that's linked right now, and thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye!